Cheers everyone, this is Thrash from Thrash Life. I wanted to do an unboxing video. The other night I was on with Art by Sparkle, and she was doing drawings on some artwork that she wanted to give people. So I won. I think everyone that entered, they won something that night, which is cool as hell. Let me show you here. El Boxo. El Boxo will El Openo. El Scissoro. Started here. Boy, she knows how to pack. This is fragile on it, so better be careful. Anyway, Lori, Art by Sparkle, she's on, I think, a couple nights a week. I think she does, I can't quite remember, but I'll put it down in the description on when she goes live. And she's a great artist, wonderful person. She's got the heart of gold. And she actually sponsors one of the horses at the rescue that I do rescue work at. So, Taylor. I'll probably put I was there, just got back from doing the rescue work today, so I'll probably be putting a photograph of Taylor in here, so for her, in honor. So bubble wrap. Looks like her diapers. Hey, Angie, now there's some diapers if you ever run out. I can send these to you if you want me to. Let's open this. I ripped them. Sorry, Angie. Yeah, this piece of art was really cool. I really wanted it, and I got it, which is cool. I can't wait to see it in person. Okay. More bubble wrap. What did I tell you? She can pack them. And got to cut a couple things on here. All right. We're getting somewhere now, people. She does know how to pack. I mean, I don't think she's probably ever had an issue with some of her art getting to where it's supposed to be and be damaged. She keeps the tape company in business too. So, we're almost there. Oh, I love these things, man. We got like the magnets. We put them on the side of our fridge. Let's see if I can go take a picture of all the ones that she's sent myself and Matthew. Yeah, these are great. Those are awesome. And on the back of the artwork, it says Happy Valentines, Thrash, and 2023. It's 8x12 Sparkle 2022. But you can see on the canvas on the back, she painted it silver, and then she did the artwork itself and then put it on there. I don't know what she used to attach it, but that's beautiful. I'll find a place for this to hang up. Yeah, it looks awesome. I love the colors. That's gorgeous. The gold in there. Kind of looks fiery in a way. Looks cool. I like that. Very nice. Thank you very much, Lori. Check out Art by Sparkle. I'll put her information in the description so you guys know where to go go give her a thumbs up and subscribe to her channel. So thank you, everybody. Remember, keep doing what you're doing. Never stop homebrewing. And we will see you later. Later.